Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our waterproof Mavic Air 2 case. It's designed to hold your DJI Mavic Air 2, a tablet, and accessories. First, we'll talk about the layout of the phone and then the features of the case. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove these foam plugs. The case can hold one Mavic Air 2 in the folded position with a battery, 2 extra batteries for a total of 3, extra propellers, 1 power adapter, 1 controller, and has space for cords, 1 tablet, additional accessories, along with the 3-bank charger. This controller cutout will fit the standard controller or a smart controller. The drone cutout itself is cut with extreme precision and ensures all the obstacle avoidance sensors are protected. This foam is non-abrasive and won't scratch your gear. The case has 2 different sized tablet spacers that can be pulled out or left in, which will fit a variety of tablet sizes. Just be sure to measure your tablet to confirm it is within the max dimensions. To fully utilize the depth of the case, we've included a hidden storage compartment below the tablet. If you need to, you can use this 1/2-inch foam plug to separate the tablet from the gear down below. Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from Pluck Foam. Unlike Pluck Foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam. The foam in the lid is a much softer convoluted polyurethane, and we've included 2 different thicknesses. The thicker foam will hold down all of the accessories, while the slightly thinner foam will ensure that the drone propellers are not deformed. And around the perimeter of the lid is a gasket seal, which makes the case 100% waterproof. So let's put it to the test. First, we'll put in a paper towel to show that no water gets in. Perfectly dry. The case features 2 snap latches with positive feedback, a manual pressure relief valve so that the case can be opened at any altitude, a light orange peel texture to help prevent scratches. In back, there are 2 strong mechanical hinges with stainless steel pins that are one way so that they cannot be tapped out, feet so that the case can stand upright on its own, a molded comfort grip handle that folds down to stay out of the way when not in use, as well as ribs to deflect impact. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.